Hi, I'm Thomas Johnson. I'm a boys coach and director for Minneapolis United. I've had the honor of being with this club for about 10 years now, and I've seen a lot of great things through the generosity of people in this club. I'd like to share a couple stories about why giving to the max is such a big, important part of Minneapolis United, and why helping these kids in need can really change their life. Throughout the years, a lot of boys have come and gone through this program that have needed financial assistance, and with the generosity of the people in Minneapolis United, we've had put many kids through different college programs because of it. Kids that when you got there, you went to their house, they had nothing. They had just a bed, or they sat on the floor because they didn't have enough money to afford furniture. Through the generosity of people in the club, they've been able to go to college, Division I programs. Some have went on to different prep schools. Without your generosity, these kids would still be struggling. So thank you for all that you've done, and thank you for all that you'll do in the future.